Hello, I welcome you all medico aspirants. Well, students, in this session, I am going to tell you how to prepare biology subject for NEET examination to fetch high score. NEET, that is National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test. If you want to make career in medical field, well, this exam gives an opportunity. This exam is conducted for the medical field like MBBS, dental, Ayurveda, Siddha medicines, Unani and homeopathy. To crack this exam, firstly you should understand the pattern of the NEET exam. For that, you can visit the government website, that is www.ntaneet.nic.in. Okay, now in this slide you can see physics, chemistry, biology are the three subjects in this examination. This examination is of offline mode, that is pen and paper mode. Questions are of MCQ type, one question with the four options, and the examination is of 3 hours. Now about the marking system. The exam is of total 720 marks. There are total 180 questions asked in this examination. From physics subject 45 questions, chemistry 45 questions and biology 90 questions. Okay, from this slide, as you can see, 50% of the questions are from the biology, and that is 360 marks. Out of the 720 marks are allotted to the biology subject. So students, if you want to score high and excellent marks in this examination, then you have to prepare biology subject thoroughly. Okay, now in this examination there is a negative marking system. If you give correct answer, you will get 4 marks added in your final score, and if you give wrong, means incorrect answer, 1 mark will be deducted from your final score, and this is little bit hard part of this examination. Okay, now students, let us go through the topics. As you can see, this is the NCERT pattern examination, and this topic belong to the CBSE board 11th and 12th standard textbook. 5 units are from 11th standard class and 5 units are from 12th standard class. So there are total 10 units in the syllabus of the biology subject. Always remember students, smart work is always paid better than the hard work. Methodical approach saves time and energy. For that reason, we are here to help you. For that reason, we are here to give you proper direction for your efforts. Now, this following information will serve as a guideline for your studies. So, what I did, students, I have made a comparative analysis of last 2 years NEET question papers and classified questions in the respective units. Now in this chart, you can see the number of questions asked in 2018 and 2019 year question paper. I have highlighted units with maximum weightage in red color, but it doesn't mean that you will prepare only these topics. Just focus more on the topics and solve maximum questions from it. As you can see, these units are: first is human physiology. It includes digestion and absorption. This is the first important topic. In this topic, there are points like alimentary canal, then digestive system disorder, respiration. You have to study respiratory system, respiratory disorder, tidal volume, what is that? Chemical coordination include list of different hormones, endocrine system, the study of pituitary gland. Circulation includes circulatory system, structure of heart is there, ECG is there, and circulatory disorder, circulatory system disorders are there. Next important unit is the genetics. Lactose operon, which include different genes and their role. DNA replication. For this topic, you have to study the diagram of replication fork by heart. Then next is DNA fingerprinting. In DNA fingerprinting, there are steps involved in this process. Mendelism, the law of inheritance, post-Mendelism, pleiotropy, polygenes, linkage, these topics are there. Next important is biology in human welfare. It includes units like topics like diseases. In diseases, it starts with the definition of health, definition of antigen, antibody. Next is SCP, single cell protein. Then biocontrol and sewage treatment method. Next important unit is the ecology. It includes population interaction between different organisms, ecological succession, primary, secondary succession, then environmental issues like air pollution, water pollution, solid waste management. These are the environmental issues. Next is reproduction. Now in this reproduction unit, there are two parts, plant reproduction and human reproduction. In plant reproduction, there are different modes like vegetative mode, sexual reproductive mode of process, then pollination, different agents involved in the pollination, then gametophyte formation, male female gametophyte formation, how embryo and endosperm develop, and parthenocarpy is again very important topic. Next is human reproductive system. Both male and female reproductive system, their structural diagrams are very important. Gametogenesis, the difference between spermiation and spermatogenesis is very important. Reproductive health, birth control, and STDs are the important topics from your biology syllabus. Okay, now students, how will you start preparation of the NEET examination? And these are the important key points for your studies. Firstly, you should have a good study material. For that, you give first preference to the NCERT textbook, and then you should have any one of the study material notes. Second, know your NEET syllabus in detail. For that, you can visit the website. Study on daily basis. You should give first preference to the NCERT students, NCERT syllabus, NCERT textbook, and then study material. Why? What is the reason? As 90% of the syllabus include NCERT text. 90% questions are asked from the NCERT textbook, and remaining 10% questions are asked from the out of the textbook. Now, why you will say why you have to prepare any other study material as 90% questions are from NCERT? The reason is all the concepts are not clear in your NCERT syllabus, and to clear your concept you need some study material. There are different study material available in the market like notes of Errorless, then Fingertips is there, Dinesh publication is there. You can select any one. Make your own study notes. Always make habit to underline the important points and write it separately and revise it. Practice sample papers and previous year's question papers. Not just the NEET question papers, but all other medical entrance examination paper like AIMS, and then there is a BHU and JIPMER. Try to solve all this question paper. Focus on the topic with the good weightage. Just now I've told you the important topics and units from your biology syllabus. Revise your studies on regular basis. And last and again very important, health is wealth. Do take a very good care of your health. Okay students, that's it for today session. Just believe in yourself, have confidence, stay away from the negativity. Remember, Belief can create magic. All the best for your medical studies.